Hey, where's the drink?
Not that. Here, mom.
Later. Ganda oh. Ito yata yung connected sa Colorado River eh.
It is attached to the Colorado River.
No, that one. I'm not sure.
Ayun pa oh. Gagawa sila ng...
Oh, nag-live ka na naman. Live yan?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Si Boy live to. Si Boy live. Ganda.
Years.
Ganda, para kang nasa beach natin. Ang daming nagbo-boating ha.
Beach ba yan? Ah,
Yeah,
hindi.
may nag-jet ski oh. Dito nga daw jet ski dyan, pwede dyan. May boating ayun, madami nag-jet ski.
Kayak beach. Oh. Kayak dito. Beach regulation. May kayak sila eh. Dala nila.
Ito na yung para ano,
Pababa na
yeah,
road.
rock road.
Ay,
Pantay
that
naman. Eh, close it. It's gonna be
Close the
dusty.
car.
Wait, I can't close it.
I got it.
Dusty. Saan maganda din yung daanan? Hindi ano.
Wala ko malalalim.
Akala ko naman yung bangin dyan.
Yeah.
Ay sila ano yata yung nakita kong gano'n. Napunta sila.
Si Jimmy, Villegas, yeah.
Nakatakot. Ka naman nagrabag.
Pag nalaman nila dito, baka buntay mo yan.
Wow,
May
look at the
libid
jet
sila
ski.
Magkano kumanga tayo ng second hand na ano, RV.
May ubig din pala dito. Marami din palang tubig. Ah.
No, no. It's a very nice place.
Ay! Ay! Yung Mercedes yun. Ocean. Ano, kayak beach.
You do. You sing it. Can you do the beat? It's a very nice place. Can you do that?
Wait, just wait. Kasi nga kung pwede dito na ako mag-graph.
Pwede rin siguro dyan.
Hindi
siguro. Yeah.
Dudumihan nila yan.
Kaya nga may campsite eh.
Kaya pala yung iba, meron pa rin silang pangkaya. Ay, ano na, dito. Kala ko na napunta pa sila ng kali. Hindi pala. Tingnan mo yung mga karnila, dinala naman oh. Galing sila din oh.
No, we don't have kayak. They have. Yeah, of course they gonna use
The
it.
carne.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, kasi parang tayo pupunta
Yeah,
dito.
alangan mo.
Oh, look, the beach is just right here.
Look at that.
An actual beach!
Yeah,
It is a beach.
but it's not salty.
Yeah, it's fresh water.
That's
So
better than the salt.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like it.
like
So you
fresh.
could see under. Look, this is where the actual water comes
clear
from.
water.
Parang Pilipino.
It's where the water actually comes
Parang
from.
hindi na si Ading ah.
So wala nga ditong ihian.
Oh, dun nga. Kukuha ko
So
dun.
beautiful.
Kukuha ko dun sa hospital ng ihi.
I need
yung
some.
plastic.
Mhm.
Oh, they're just gonna. Oh, they're just going down.
Pwede ka naman mag-
Dito na tayo
Can we
mag-park.
go down too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
go.
We're gonna go down.
May park here na?
Yeah.
Oh, may. Dapat meron din tayo pang fishing, oh. Meron sila, oh. Dito na ba tayo mag-park?
Parang may nag-iihaw
Mhm.
na.
Yeah, of course.
Wala, ang ganda labo. Kahit dito ka na, huwag ka na mag-campground eh.
Ay, maganda nga yung kung mag-overnight ka nga. Ayan yung mga hindi mag-overnight eh.
Bakit nag...
Dito na? Tanong mo kaya ano? Para kang nasa beach talaga, no? Sarap. Pwede ka rin mag-overnight dito sa pwede ka rin mag-overnight dito, hindi?
Hindi.
Doon lang ano. Yeah.
Dapat sa campsite.
Kaya may campsite.
Punta dyan mga bata.
Mm,
Inuman dyan.
sa gabi.
Oh, by a certain hour.
May alak pa oh. Is it cold? The water?
What is cold?
Yeah? Really cold?
Oh, I went over there, like, I put my
Oh yeah, it's wow, it's so clean.
You can throw it the farthest. Let me see if you can throw it the farthest.
Look, let me do it. The flat one, you find the flat one.
Huh?
The flat, this one. Look. Oh. No, not like that. It'd be like this.
Oh,
Yeah. I think you can go by the, you can
Look, see, I wanted the
jet ski. Yeah, you can buy jet ski.
It's like I'm getting used to it now.
Woo!
so we can't go down. Wait, Dad, let me join. Come back.
You wanna come?
Yeah, I'll go.
You want me to get on? Dude, I'm too cool. Oh wait, you're gonna get wet.
Huh?
You're gonna get wet.
I know. So what? Of course it's water, I'm gonna get wet.
Yeah, I know.
Ah!
You're the lifeguard, okay?
Yeah, I'm watching you guys.
Your meta glasses, bro. Don't get them wet. Oh yeah, Dad. Don't get your glasses wet.
I know.